All right, what's going on, everybody? My name is Josh Pocock, founder and CEO of Executive Stride, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about a AI tool called Peppertype. All right. Now, I actually just recorded a full video diving through this whole tool and writing an actual blog post with this tool using their templates, which are very, very valuable. I was having some audio issues and whatnot, so I'm going to clip in what I could actually the clips of the actual video I recorded that actually do have the audio in it. But just to give you an intro of this tool was listed on Appsumo over a year ago, and they basically improved a lot throughout this last year, and they developed into a very mature app and software, and a very successful software, as a matter of fact. And here's their website right here. You can check out their pricing and whatnot. And you can go through their website. It is a great looking website and all that good stuff. They have over 1,000 active users on Peppertype, or 100,000, and they have over 1,000 5-star pretty much golden taco reviews on Appsumo, which is very rare and just goes to show what type of quality this software is. Now, if we look at the tiers right here, we have a 1-tier license, 2-tier, and 3-tier. Right, you can see 50,000 words for the per month for the 1-tier. Here on the 2-tier, we got 5 users, 100,000 words per month, SEO support, sharing, collaboration, command the AI, and write more feature. And then tier 3, we get to 20 users, 250 words per month, and the same sort of fashion. So basically, if you want the write more feature with the long form copy, which is very useful, you basically need their tier 2 option, which obviously is a whole marketing thing, but it could potentially be worth it depending on if you're new to AI tools or if you already have certain AI tools. It could potentially be worth it to get the tier 2 license. Now this relisting on Appsumo offer ends in 8 days at the time of making this video, so it most likely will never be on Appsumo again. They're already doing really, really well, and they don't need it or whatever. It's kind of just like a last come offer that you can get if you want Peppertype. Now, at the end of the video I made before, I don't know 100% if I got my conclusion into the video, but if not, I'll just shortcut the process for you and tell you right now before I add in the clip of the video I made before, actually showing how to use the tool and I actually wrote a blog post that was very good quality with this specific tool. If you already have other AI tools such as Word Hero or Writer or whatever the case may be, this is not a tool that you 100% need. You don't have to go and spend. Don't FOMO into this if needed. I will leave links in the description for this tool, but it is a really great tool. So you can pick it up regardless if even if you have those other tools and you want this tool, because it does have some cool, unique features. But if you're, kind of strapped for money and you don't want to just buy all these new tools and whatnot, it's not a tool that you need. You don't need to pick this up if you already have other great tools. Now, if you don't have any other tools, then this could definitely potentially be an option for you. And you only have 8 days, and you'll probably never get a deal like this ever again for this specific software. So you may want to potentially look into this. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for this tool. It's a great tool, but without ado, now I am going to add in the video part of the guide, me going through this tool and actually using it to write a blog post. We can see in the tool, where are we here? If I go to the tool, they have some good features, some good components here, and they have a certain project feature, which I cover, as well as they have this cool notes feature, as well as different. So here's the blog post I wrote. You'll see me write it in this video. And then if I go here, you can see long form blog, and it gives you a great template, which a lot of copywriters do not have. And that's what makes this is like one of the biggest things right here, this template thing, that it makes it just super cool, because a lot of AI tools won't actually show you how to use the components to write a blog. It's kind of just like, here's all the components, do what you may. but this one is kind of like a cool wizard that helps you write an optimized blog. All right, guys, so without ado, I'm going to add in the video where I actually use this to write a blog post. It ended up being just under 1,000 words, and it was pretty good content output, which is one of the reasons why I really like this tool, is because the output is actually really good quality. So at the end of the video, you'll see it kind of cuts out a bit. It may not cut out at the right spot. It makes sense, but you will see me use this tool. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Check out all the links. We have our Stride community, as well as all that good stuff that I cover in other videos. We upload videos every single day, so make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I will see you in tomorrow's video after I add in this clip right here. So all right, guys, stay tuned for this video right now. Keep watching. I'm actually going to go over how to use this tool. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. And you just get a crazy deal, right? So that's why I make a lot of these different videos on these different tools. If you want more videos like this, we upload videos every single day on different tools, reviews, different strategies for your business. So make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications for that. But you can see here, over 100,000 active users on Peppertype, 5 million plus content pieces generated, 250K annotated data and growing. So they are a big popular tool, and they are continuously growing. You can see here, we're not going to watch this, but a lot of stuff going on. They have a nice blog. All right. They have a resource center. Okay. And I'm assuming that they have a a community on Facebook. So this is the Postly video I did yesterday. You can check that out as well. But they have okay, so yes, I'm already in their community. They have a nice community on Facebook with over 7,000 members. They're constantly adding different videos and tutorials in that community. So other than that, let's just dive into the tool and see how it stands up to all the other tools. So I've done reviews recently and guides on tools like Niches, Word Hero. All right, this is a tool that started on Appsumo, and they've been growing. You know, they're trying to compete obviously with some of the big guys like Jasper and all this stuff. So let's see how it does. So actually, when you first get onboarded, you get that kind of wizard right there, which I maybe could have went through, but other than that, it's pretty basic. I can go through most of the stuff and explain it. So you can see, just like a lot of different tools you'll see on the home page, you have all their different components that they have. So compared to something like Word Hero, I believe they don't have as many components. You can see they have a lot in beta, so they're adding new ones, etc. The whole thing with Peppertype is the output is pretty solid. It is pretty good, and I'll show you that in a second. And they also have this thing called Notes, which is pretty cool. So action on Notes. You can quickly format or download your content. Once you can create a new note by clicking clear, let's click next. You can select any piece of text inside Notes, choose the action you want to perform, such as rewriting, expanding, simplifying, or writing a paragraph, and then get started on your masterpiece, choose templates, or start from scratch. So that's really cool. So like, let's see, long form blog. This is like one of the cool things about Peppertype is it gives you a template, and they basically walk you through actually building a blog. So let's say, for example, blog title. So use blog ideas. All right, so name of your product or service. So executive Stride, description, executive Stride helps coaches, consultants, wrong. Consultants, course creators, and marketing agencies accelerate their stride with proven business growth strategies and earn solution or prospecting, sales, and offer. I'd probably spend a bit more time actually giving a little bit of a better input to get better output, but let's just use this for now. So create content. Right, so it's creating. Right, so 6 generated ideas for this project. 4 deadly sins of sales blog. A blog about 4 common but deadly mistakes entrepreneurs make when selling their services. So that's pretty solid. So let's save that. 8 stats. Honestly, I can just already tell all these are pretty solid. So I'm just gonna save them all for later. And that's really cool. Like it generates ideas on kind of blog titles that are related to, like you can see, we have one on sales, we have one on develop a better mindset for coaching, a blog around the mindset needed to be a good coach, you know. So this is actually like some good stuff. Let's just, you know, use this for the sake of things. So use blog titles, so paste that to notes, like ideas. So this would be the title, this title, boom, meta description. We'll use the meta description. Title is this. The advanced options, you can add keywords if you want. That's going to generate content. A lot of this will most likely come from input of the title. So, meta description. Delete this, boom. Introduction, so use blog introduction. A blog topic. Here. Okay, content. A lot of this, like I said, will be from just inputting in the title of the blog. Like we're literally making an outline here, so the introduction. So, this. Save this. I'm just saving other stuff. So, introduction, notes. Alternatively, you can use the content expander to finish a sentence. Try that. This, that. It's giving you different options. So it says alternatively, you can use the content expander to finish a sentence and let it expand with one line into a whole paragraph. Alternatively, or then it says, or you can simply select your title and click on write a paragraph. So look at this content expander. It gave us a lot more content. Can we edit it? Yeah, we can literally edit it in here. So that's actually really cool. A lot of editors, you just can't edit it like that. A lot of different tools, but we're not going to use the third option for now. For the sake of this video, we're just going to use these two like that. Let's face it. Boom, boom, boom. Outline. So use blog outline. The blog topic. We're going to use this. Create content. All right, so you can see we created nice outlines, 4 different things. Oh, this is pretty cool. Feeling sales is dirty. Oh, wow. Which is actually some good advice. But this is actually cool. So the first deadly sin, second deadly sin. I'm just going to save a lot of these. So it's giving like good outputs, which I really like. So this is the benefit of Peppertype. Like it gives good outputs. The output is really good. And then also... what's it called, like the template outlines like this and the notes is something that differentiates itself from a lot of other tools, which is really cool. A lot of other tools don't have stuff like that. Enter one of your subheadings here. So use blog expander. Oh, that's super cool. So enter one of your subheadings here in content. So let's put this here. Use blog expander to write a blog topic there. Oh, that's what you do. So then the section heading is this. For the title here, section heading here. For first deadly sin. Or you can use the content expander to finish up a sentence. So look, it's generating a lot of content. So save these. Go here. And paste like that. Boom. Okay. Could use this again for all four. Or you can use content expander. So let's try that. For here. This, paste this, or actually I could have just gone like this. Came here. Paste this. I can go down. Paste the notes. You can use number 3. Enough. So it's giving you so many different options within the template of how you can actually use it, right? Which is super solid. So enter your content here. I mean, I'll try this. I don't know if this one's going to work the best. Since it's a short sentence. I don't know if that input is good enough. I just added the title and the thing. So let's see what it goes. So we'll just use this for the sake of this video. So third deadly sin is right here. Like, this is decent content. Like, I could use this content for a YouTube video, for TikTok, for just a blog, really anything. So paste in notes. Boom. Deadly sin. Here. This will be done. This will be there. If like this, turn this to normal text, and then we're gonna do the last and final one. Is this? Go here, paste that in. So it's like such a great template. It's actually really cool that they have something like that. A lot of other tools don't have it. They'll just give you the tools and it's kind of like, okay, figure out how to use it. But this is like really cool because it gives you a template on how to write a full out blog. And even if you use a different tool, like you could basically take what I just showed you, because a lot of other tools have those same sort of things like content rewriter, etc. They have those same components. So you can learn what I did to use with Peppertype in other tools, like if you're using Word Hero, Niches, or Jasper, whatever, right? And then conclusions. So blog conclusion. We actually have a conclusion right here, but let's see. So blog topic. It's here. Let's see. We got a conclusion. Actually not good about how it actually mentions Peppertype. I just realized that, so delete that. Boom, 2, 3, 4, and then conclusion. Just for example. Okay, so there we go. Literally in like 5 to 10 minutes, I just wrote a full out blog outline, like a full thing. We got the title, the meta description, the introduction, the outline, the main content, you know, as well as the conclusion. And I used their full template to do so. So you can download this if you want. Download as a PDF. See. go. Taking a little bit to load there, but as that's loading, interesting. Looks like it had some issues downloading, so let's see. Anyways, so I'm gonna look at that in a second, but you can see here we have core answers, content rewriter, social media post captions, writing headline copy, Twitter stuff, e-commerce stuff, Facebook ad copy, you know, like the main stuff that you could want: YouTube description, content rewriter, Amazon descriptions, core answers, ADA copywriting, cold emails, email subject lines, Amazon product bullet points, Amazon ad headline, Amazon product title, paragraph rewriter, pull the questions, answers. So the main stuff you can filter by product, e-commerce, SEO, copywriting, social media, etc. Then you can go into your projects. So new projects. So I could start a new project. You can see I think this is the one we just did. You can rename this. Project settings, saved copy. So maybe it isn't actually. So let's create a new project. Paste a new product. So let's just say executive Stride. I'm not going to go ahead and create a new generate an automated brief. Okay, so .com. Let's see what this does. While that's loading, I'm just pulled up. I didn't see the, if it showed how much words were in the notes section when I made this blog just 2 seconds ago. So I'm over here on Word Hero just to see how much words we got. And we got a 700 word blog post, so just under 1,000 basically. If I spend a bit more time here, I could easily make this 1,000. Okay, and let's see. What the heck? I just did this. Executive Stride.com. I'm interested to see what it's going to do. Generate an automated brief. So I'm assuming that they're doing some sort of scraping of the website, pulling like the headline and creating content from it, but I'm
Hey, what's going on everyone? Hope you're all having a fantastic day. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jacob Snitman. I'm the founder and CEO of ABC Marketing Solutions and a broker within the Berg Financial Mortgage Group. Now, for anyone who's worked in either of my industries, I'm sure you're very familiar with how stressful things can be, how competitive the market is, and quite frankly, how hard it is to generate some new business for yourself. So that being said, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Josh and his team for being able to do exactly that. I originally employed their team actually back in Q4 of 2020 to scale both of my businesses. And since the first week of campaigns after we've onboarded, they've consistently been able to achieve at least 10 booked appointments on my calendar for each of my businesses every single week for the last 6 months. Now, not only has this completely scaled my revenue, but it's also help me better service my clients by giving them more time to focus on their individual needs, and B, focus on other parts of my business, knowing that my lead generation is being completely taken care of and in good hands. Two other really cool things I wanted to point out is they give you access to these amazing tools. One is the client acquisition code and the other is the Stride Accelerated Training. And both of these were absolutely what I would define as critical components in helping me scale my business. If you're looking to crush your business goals this year, I would really recommend getting in contact with Josh and seeing how him and his team can help you as well.
My name is Franco and I run a marketing agency. I don't usually do testimonials for people, but Josh and his team at Executive Stride have taken it upon themselves to basically outwork and outperform every single lead generation firm that I've worked with in the past. Now, most of my clientele is high ticket, very high ticket, And not only has he been able to generate me a tremendous amount of additional income monthly, but him and his team are super supportive, and they basically hand you leads on a silver platter. Now, a lot of agencies say that they do this, but to put it into executive action and to make that action transferable to you so that you do the easy work and sell them, as long as you're a good salesperson, you should have no issues with these leads that Executive Stride is providing you. So as far as I'm concerned, they're the best locally and the best lead generation firm that I've personally worked with in the past and in the future, because I'm not going nowhere. I'm with Executive Stride. Thank you so much. Josh, this is for you, buddy.
Hey, Jacob here. Just want to talk a little bit about Executive Stride. So I actually own an advertising agency. We mostly target e-commerce owners to help them grow their businesses. So beforehand I was doing email marketing mostly, but now I'm also adding LinkedIn with it. And after signing up with Josh and Executive Stride, we really, things just like took off, especially with the leads coming in, the messages and meetings actually being booked, qualified meetings being booked. He helped us kind of develop our sales process and offer a bit more as well. But just the platform and their overall experience with LinkedIn and actually booking meetings and getting leads is fantastic. It actually, we have a small team. I actually had too much coming in. I had to reel it back a little bit, which is a good problem to have. So anyway, overall great experience. Would highly recommend Josh and Executive Stride. So if you're thinking about taking the leap, go ahead and do it and join the team of winners. Let's get it.
Hey, my name is Bharat and I run a marketing agency. Josh and his team at Executive Stride have helped me tremendously with their LinkedIn automation program and leads machine. In the first 2 weeks, I've got 15 booked appointments and closed 3 deals already. When it comes to lead generation and sales process optimization, Josh and his team at Executive Stride are the best. If you are looking to maximize your ROI and take your business to the next level, I highly recommend Executive Stride.
Hello, this is my testimonial for Josh. I'm Cass, and Josh is very knowledgeable when it comes to lead generation and creating sales process. In fact, in the first 3 weeks of working with him, Josh and his team basically brought me and generated me over 37 booked appointments and 30 new clients, which is mind-blowing, and I would definitely recommend working with Josh and his team at Executive Stride. If you are looking to scale your business, don't hesitate to contact him. Thank you so much and looking forward to working with you further. Bye.
Guys, I have to give a huge shout out to Josh Pocock and his team. These guys completely changed my business. I came into the industry, I started this company called Realtor Media Leads, and starting it up, it was really difficult. I didn't know how to get clients. I was cold calling people, and I was making like $2K a month doing this. I had 2 clients, 2 realtors, and as soon as these guys jumped on board, they set me up with this LinkedIn program, and it's just been on fire for us ever since. It's been booking us meetings every single week after week after week, and it's helped me scale my business to now over 20K per month. And I have to give a huge shout out to these guys. They're seriously killing it. And if you're looking for some seriously powerful leads, people that are on the call with you that want your service, these guys know how to target them and get them for you. So huge shout out to them. And if you're not working with Josh, I don't know what you're doing.
Hey there, Ivan Cuenca here, and I just want to record this quick video to recommend Josh and his team. I've been working with them the last couple of weeks, and well, I tried some programs, some courses in the past, but didn't get any results. So with Josh, in just a matter of a couple of weeks, I was able to land some clients. I was able to land qualified leads with his program, the Client Acquisition Codebook, and the Executive Stride Accelerator training. As I mentioned before, I tried some things in the past but didn't get any result. But with them, in just a matter of weeks, I land qualified leads, and therefore I land some clients. At the end, it's about numbers. It's a numbers game, but you have to have the right numbers, the right qualified leads, so that way you can have more sales. So yeah, I totally recommend Josh and his team. You won't regret working with them. And yeah, thank you very much.
Hey, I am Harshal. I have been working with Josh and his teams at Executive Stride for 3 weeks now. Since then, we have able to book 35 quality leads and close 11 deals by using their LinkedIn system. They also helping me with advanced sales and systems building strategies to take or to scale my business to the next level. If you are looking for someone who books more leads for your business, then I am highly recommended Josh and his Executive Stride. They will get your job done.